Everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I've got a couple of packages that I wanted to open with you guys. One is from JetPens, and one is from a fellow Utahn, and I ordered something off of Facebook, one of the buy-sell trade groups for Hobonichi, and she was good enough to send that out to me. But let's go ahead and do the JetPens order. I wasn't sure I was going to order everything that's in here, but then I was like, all right, let's just go ahead and do it. I'm going to go ahead and pull, if I can get this out. Sorry for the neon yellow Band-Aid, but I cut my finger on piece of cardboard. Okay, well, first and foremost, you might see a little trend here. Open these up as well. I can get this out. Okay, all of you know orange is my favorite color. Well, out of the vintage Sarasa pack, the zebra clip packages, this is technically Camel Yellow, but it comes across as a beautiful caramel orange color. And so I got 2 more of these pens, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 refills for them, because I already have 2 sets of the vintage clip pens, and so I have 2 of these from those 2 sets that I had pulled out already, and so I am going to go ahead and, okay, well, the timer on my oven went off, so now there'll be kind of like a little split, but hopefully I'll be able to put these together. As you can see, this says the Camel Yellow, and just so you guys can see, that is what the color actually looks like. So it's like a burnt orange, kind of a caramely orange color, and I just love it. Absolutely love it. And it works well with my Hobonichi, although I do have to let it dry and blot it just a little bit, but otherwise, I love it. So I got 2 more of these pens and then the inserts, but I also picked up this pen, which is the same pen, only in the metal version. Hopefully I can open this up without giving myself another cut. Okay. All right. So this again is in the Camel Yellow, and it's the metal version of this one. So it's a little, I keep going out of camera. It's a little bit bigger, but well, maybe not. It's just like a hair taller. The clip is a little bit taller on the pen, but so you open it up or you press it down and it opens up, and then you've got the clip like you would on the plastic version. I just wanted a much nicer pen of this, and the refills fit in this one exactly the same. So this is the Sarasa Grand, and it is in the 05 or the 0.5 millimeter, and it's a gel ink. And I just felt like I love this pen so much, I went ahead and got the metal version of it. It is quite a bit heavier than the plastic version, but I actually like a heavier pen. I think it feels better in my hand. So there's those. Next up is my planner for the that I'll be using for my YouTube channel. And I went with the Lite Mini. Last year I got the Lite Mini, and just I got it in the Robin's Egg Blue. It's the mint color. And they still offer this color. They have this one, a navy blue, the fawn or the beige, I guess, and it's a pink. It's like a salmon pink. But what I do is here in the book, what I do is typically I will go in and let's see, I'll show you October's. So this is October, and I'll go in and I'll note when I've made a post, posted a video. Then I go in and click or just check off when I've posted to Twitter, YouTube, my blog, TikTok, Instagram, and the Finding 52 Facebook group. And then I will flip to here and to the day and post, you know, what time I made the video post and my stats for that particular post at that time. So I can see when my stats have gone up or down or stayed the same, whatnot. I haven't really gotten into adding a lot into here. I was keeping track of some of the, I kept track of when I was watching all the Supernatural episodes, and then I was also keeping track of various seasons of different shows that I was watching and the movies, but that just kind of fell off along with everything else on my planner horizon for 2021. But I will probably go back in and do that again. But I wanted someplace to put all of my video and social media postings and all of that, and this just works super, super well. And I have a couple of different covers for this. This is a Justine King. It's called Root Beer, but it looks very similar to Maverick from Sparrow, although it's not as flat as Maverick. So, but I really liked it, and this has served me really well. I've stretched out the elastic, as you can kind of tell there, how it's stretched out. I do believe that might also have to do with, you know, one or more of my kittens playing with that. But I just have to tighten it up. But otherwise, that's the other thing. Now, this was either $29 even or $29.99 off of JetPens. These were $1.75. The refills were $1.25, and this bad boy was $15. So that is my JetPens order. And I will, when it gets closer to 2022, I will go through and show you all the different pages and everything for the Jibun Techo. I just wanted to kind of do an unboxing. Next, we have a Happy Mail from Bridget Bassinger. And I'm just opening this, so I didn't blank out either one of our addresses on this one. So I got something Hobonichi from her. And I know that she watches my channel, and so I just thought it would be fun to open this up since I got these both on the same day. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, so, okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get this undone with my thumb finger. And some of you will probably shake your head. However, I sort of have a plan. maybe. I don't want to keep, let's just do this. I can pull that off later. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. Yay! All right. So first off, a very cute ribbon washi tape, which I will definitely keep. And the mint pen. She was kind enough to send the pen along with the item. So I have another pen to add to my pen collection. Oh, cool. Oh, that's awesome. That is a gorgeous sticker. I love that. Thank you. Thank you, Stephanie. Or Stephanie. I have a friend that's Stephanie Bassinger, and so I'm like, oh. But Bridget, thank you. I appreciate that greatly. And then we have, oh, there's another one. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I like that one too. So that's very cool. And these look to be like washi stickers maybe, or yeah, they're washi stickers. Cool. Okay. So I got another cover on cover because she did this as a bundle. And this is another Weeks. And it is the Tiger Weeks. She had 3 different offerings up on the Hobonichi by Trade group. And I decided that I actually wanted the tiger as well as the dandelion and the 365 days. I loved this one because I love how the tiger is jumping over 2022. And I have a feeling that recovering from my hip replacement December 14th is going to take a lot of getting over certain things. So, oh, I've got 2 parrots as well. I've got one parrot there and one parrot there, if you guys can see it. These are so cute. Did I get any on the back? Oh, I got another one there at the bottom. So, oh, and there's one too. So it looks like I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 parrots total. So, and I'm sorry, you guys, I keep going up a little higher. I'm trying to use a different position for my iPad just so it's a little bit closer, and hopefully it doesn't kind of wash out as much as it has been. So this is just your standard Hobonichi Weeks, and the only difference is the cover. And while I hate the feel of the tie covers, I was very happy that she included the cover on cover with it. I am going to be tracking a lot of things with my health and exercise. I'm going to be doing a commonplace book, and I'm going to be doing my memory keeping. So I'm not sure which one is which yet, but at some point before 2022, I will put all of my 2022 planners together and tell you exactly how I'm using them all. But I just wanted to go ahead and open that because I hemmed and hawed with the tiger versus the dandelion. And I chose the dandelion and got it. And then once I started seeing pictures of the tiger, I was like, oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, I love the green. And then realizing that in February, the Chinese New Year comes into play, and it's the year of the tiger. I'm like, I'm just going to do it. And when I saw this go on sale on the buy sell trade group, I was like, okay, it's no more expensive than me having added it to my Japan order. So I'm just going for it. And I'm glad I did. And if I end up not using it, fine. I will be able to sell it. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it. So anyway, so there you have it, my little pile of happy mail. Let me get that out of the way because that's not part of my happy mail. But yeah, I just thought I would share with you guys. Thank you for the stickers, Bridget. I appreciate it. Those are adorable, and I will definitely put those in my weeks. But I just thought I would share with you what came in the mail today. So there you go. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.